Having trouble sending picture messages or participating in group texts on Simple Mobile? It's a common issue, often linked to your phone's network settings. Simple Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, and sometimes these settings need a tweak. We'll focus on three key areas: APN, MMSC, and Wi-Fi Assist. Understanding these components is crucial for resolving MMS problems. APN, Access Point Name, is the gateway that connects your device to Simple Mobile's data network for MMS. MMSC, Multimedia Messaging Service Center, is the server that handles MMS delivery. Simple Mobile uses tmobile.com. Wi-Fi Assist allows MMS over Wi-Fi when cellular signal is weak. Most MMS issues are related to legacy infrastructure. However, RCS is expected to solve 80% of problems by 2026. First, we will show you how to restart your device, toggle airplane mode, and verify APN settings as first-line fixes. Let's dive into practical solutions for fixing Simple Mobile MMS issues. First, check your APN settings. On iOS, go to Settings, then Mobile Data, then Mobile Data Options. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. Ensure your APN is correctly set to Simple, and the MMSC URL is mms-tmobile.com. Next, manage Wi-Fi Assist. If you're in an area with weak cellular signal, this feature uses Wi-Fi for MMS, but sometimes it causes problems. Toggle it off and on to force cellular routing. For group text failures, mismatched protocols are often the culprit. Try disabling RCS in your messaging app settings to ensure everyone is using legacy MMS. By 2027, MMS over Wi-Fi could be fully integrated into RCS, reducing APN dependency. If problems persist, contact Simple Mobile support at 1-877-878-7904.